What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video. In today's video, if you couldn't tell by the title, we're going to be talking about Crypto.com yet again, but not the Crypto.com coin, not Crypto.com in general. We're going to be talking about Crypto.com slash NFTs. So we're going to be talking about NFTs today. If you guys don't know what NFTs are, they stand for non-fungible tokens. It's pretty much digital art and digital assets, just like the metaverse. NFTs are a pretty hot topic right now. You can go online, buy yourself some NFTs. It'll be verified on the blockchain. If you guys haven't seen my previous NFT video where I go over NFTs in detail, as well as talk about an NFT project known as NBA Top Shot, then definitely check that video out. The link will be right up there. But today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com NFTs, how to buy and sell them, and overall I'll run you pretty much through the whole website. It's pretty simple. It's pretty cool. I bought some NFTs on Crypto.com slash NFT as well, so it'll be fun just to get into the video. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into the video. Let's go. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being a returning subscriber. Either way, if you guys don't know what I do around here, I pretty much make videos talking about personal finance. So that means saving your money, investing your money, budgeting, credit cards, anything related to money. Got you covered right here on the channel. So if you're interested in stuff like that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Now let's jump into Crypto.com slash NFT. I got my iPad right here. We're going to pull up the website on here. There's no app for this, so you would have to use a browser or your iPad or your laptop or tablet or whatever you want to use. But I'm going to use my iPad for this example, and we're going to go on over to the website and we can just get started. All right, so we're here, Crypto.com slash NFT. This is what the website looks like, and this is pretty much the layout of the website. If you want to go ahead and sign up, you can sign up 100% for free. I did it just a couple of days ago, and I bought myself some NFTs on Crypto.com, which we'll get into in a second. But if you want to sign up, you simply go on over to the top right, click sign up, and it's as simple as that. So let me go ahead and sign in real quick and I'll break everything down for you. All right, so we're all signed in on Crypto.com slash NFT, and basically this is how the website looks. Right on the main page, you'll see the logo and whatnot in the top left. You'll have the option to go ahead and search for collectibles and stuff and collections in that search bar. You can go ahead and click on Marketplace. If you go to Marketplace, it'll simply take you to the Marketplace where you can go ahead and buy NFTs offered on the Crypto.com website. You'll see drops. Drops is where you can go ahead and collect new NFTs. If you want to go ahead and grab a new project, you can see its upcoming drops as well as some drops that's live right now that's coming across your screen. The brands tab will show you some of the brands that's partner with Crypto.com, as well as other brands that might just be making a lot of money at the time on the actual platform. And then my NFTs, of course, will show you my NFTs, or you can create your own NFTs and post them on here to sell as well if you are a artist. If we scroll down, like I said before, you can see all the drops that's coming up or are live right now that you can be a part of and go and buy NFTs for. Below that, you can subscribe to make sure you don't miss any drops, and you can also see the top creators as well as top collectibles. So you can see Snoop Dogg's on here. They have a partnership with Aston Martin. Crypto.com obviously has their own NFTs, the Loaded Lion NFT. And we scroll down some more, we can see some auction prices, some buy down prices, some floor prices, all that kind of stuff of different NFT projects that I'm personally have a couple of, and also just other ones on the platform as well. And it'll give you the total sales numbers of how much each of these NFTs have made so far in particular. But before we dive too deep into it, I want to make sure I show you guys how to buy and sell NFTs on the Crypto.com NFT platform. So if you want to go ahead and buy an NFT, you can do it via a drop that's live right now, or you can go ahead and go on over to the marketplace and buy one there. So let's go and click on the marketplace, and you can see the NFTs will be broken down into different categories. You can see all, art, celebrities, gaming, sport, music, and crypto. I can scroll down also and see some different kind of NFTs. Like I mentioned before, if you guys don't know what NFTs are, they're basically digital art, digital assets. So I actually have one of these NFTs here, but we're not going to click on that one. I like this peer-to-peer pie right here. So let's go ahead and click on that. You can see the auction ends for this in 2 days, 5 hours, 5 minutes, and 5 seconds, basically. You can also go and do a buy it now if that's an option for you for this particular NFT, but you can see the current bid for this NFT is $50. So you simply can click on place a bid. If you want to place a bid, I would have to place it, it has to be at least 60, but I can place a bid, and if I have the highest bid at the end of it, then I would, of course, grab this NFT. But like I mentioned before, if you want to, people offer bids, and they also offer buy it now. So if you want to, you can scroll down a bit and you can see the edition. When you click on select edition, you can go ahead and filter the settings so you can see it's different editions for the same NFT. So somebody basically has the number one of these. So pretty much what they're saying is, if this was 50,000 trading cards, of this particular trading card, somebody has that number one edition. They have the very first one. That's why they're pricing it at that price of $50,000. Maybe somebody will buy it for that price, maybe not. But a lot of things have sold well over that price on this platform and just in general in the NFT space anyway. But let's go ahead and change that. Let's go ahead and filter it. Let's click on for sale, and let's go ahead and filter it to fixed price. And let's go ahead and make sure this is the lowest price. So if I want to just buy one and I didn't feel like doing the auction thing, then I can do this, filter it, everything like that. And you can see edition number 82, somebody's selling it for $70. I go ahead and click select on that, and then boom, I can make an offer to maybe get it for even cheaper, or I can buy it for $70. And this is for any NFT on the marketplace as long as it's available. If it's not available, then you can always send the offer to somebody. Maybe they'll accept it, maybe they'll decline it. That's completely up to you. Also, something quick I wanted to mention, you can buy these NFTs with cryptocurrency through the Crypto.com app with a Crypto.com wallet, through one of your separate wallets as well, or with a credit card or debit card. It's completely up to you. When you go ahead and click on buy, it'll give you the options and let you know which ones that you want to go ahead and buy it with. It's that simple, nothing crazy there. Now, I mentioned I have a couple of NFTs myself on the platform, so I'm going to go on over to my NFTs tab and show you guys. These are my collectibles that I have right here. I have a magical ETH, the Daredevil Doge, and this little trading card that was sold by Crypto.com. You can see all of these are from different artists, and if I go ahead and click on one, let's say 6'4" Honda, if I go ahead and click on that artist, it would take me to the artist's page, and you can see all the NFTs that he has. In particular, I bought the Daredevil Doge. If I go ahead and click on that, this is what it looks like. And this one also has sound, which is pretty cool. So he has different ones. This particular artist, he has different ones. Overall, it's 2.3K editions minted. Pretty much it's 2,300 of these in the wild, and I do have one of them. If we go back to my NFTs, let's go on back to my NFTs, and we go back to collectibles. Here we go. You can see I have the one right here. I'm gonna click on it. I have edition 1964. So I originally bought this NFT for $25, and if you want to know how much the prices are going for, or how much people are buying them for, or you want to see an NFT and see how many people sold it, bought it, or whatever, you can go ahead and click on this little tab that says history, and you can see how much I bought it for. My screen name is $Mike, as it is on YouTube, and I bought it for $25. So if I wanted to go ahead and click on sell, I can go ahead and click on sell and sell the NFT for a fixed price, or offer it up as an auction. It's personally up to me. If I did sell it for, say, $100, go ahead and put in 100, 10% or $10 of it will go back to the original creator of that NFT, that 6'4" Honda guy, and then another service fee of 1.99% would go to Crypto.com just to make the transaction pretty much. And then lastly, you would get your payout of, or my payout of $88.01 for selling it for $100. The same thing will work in an auction. Obviously, you can start the auction price out as $1, and you can also set an expiration date. Completely up to you, and it's that simple. So there you guys go. That is how to buy and sell NFTs on Crypto.com/NFT. Now, I did want to dive into the website just a little bit more, but if you're not interested in that, that's perfectly fine. You can go and play with it yourself, sign up, do whatever you gotta do, and you'll be all good to go there. But in this situation, I do want to go around and just check some other stuff out, just to show you guys, of course. So if you want to watch, you can watch. If you don't want to, you can click off the video. I really appreciate you being here, though. But either way, we're gonna go on back to the marketplace. Actually, we're gonna go on back to the homepage because I want to show you guys how much some of these NFTs are actually selling for. So Crypto.com actually made their own NFT. If we go back to the home page, click on Crypto.com, it'll take us to their obviously page. They make their own NFTs, of course, and every time, or at least the first time, they made a legit drop, because I wouldn't consider the crypto cards a big drop that they were worried about. But the Loaded Lions, it was definitely a huge drop for them. Overall, you go ahead and click on Loaded Lions, and you can see that they've made profit, where the volume traded on Loaded Lions is $22.7 million. Each one of these, there's only 10,000 in existence, by the way. Each one of these were sold for $200 each. And you can see the prices. Some floor prices start, for the auction, start at $12. I promise you they won't end at $12. But you can see the floor price for buy it now is 3.7K. That means that is the lowest price that you can buy one of these NFTs for. You can see some of the nicer ones, or some of the rarer ones. Somebody's trying to sell it for $5 million, $500,000, $1 million, $24,000, $25,000. But either way, they were bought for $200, and the lowest price that they're going for right now is 3.7K. It's crazy. That's a huge return on your money for something that just came out a couple of weeks ago. But let's go ahead and sort it. I'm gonna sort it by lowest price. So buy it now, lowest price. Let's see what the lowest price one is. This is the 3.7K one. Am I gonna spend that much on this? Absolutely not. $3,798. 2% of it will go back to the creator, which is Crypto.com. Either way, we go ahead and click on the history. Let's see if anybody else did it. So look at this. We can see the history of the actual NFT right here. Like I mentioned before, history. Somebody bought it for 200. That was the original price they bought it for. They then sold it. Somebody else bought it for 500. Sold it. Somebody else bought it for 5,400. Sold it. Somebody else bought it for $5,100. Sold it. And this person bought it. And now they're actually trying to get rid of it for $3,798. So overall, the person that bought it for, I would say the person that really bought it for 500 and sold it for 5,400 is the one that made out the best. You can clearly see the market fluctuates just like the stock would, and essentially it really just comes down to worth. I mean, how much these things really worth. Overall, they can be worth nothing depending on if you want to actually give value to it, or they can be worth $5 million because somebody actually did pay $1 million for one of these. It was a pretty rare one. I think this one's not as rare. Let me look and check. This one's not, I mean, this one's still, it's still rare because there's only 10,000 of them and they do have rare traits, but it's not as rare as the one that sold for $1 million was. But past that, if we go ahead and click on that drops tab that I showed you guys before, the drops tab simply show you the NFTs that's coming up from up and coming creators, or just creators in general, or just artists in general. And pretty much you'll never really get scammed out of NFTs on Crypto.com/NFT because all of the creators on Crypto.com are pretty much verified, or verified in the sense that nobody else is going to steal their project. There's not going to be 20 different versions of the Loaded Lions NFT. There's only going to be one, and that's going to be from Crypto.com. So you'll always know you're getting the legit one. But we scroll down a little bit, you can see that the current one, the current drop right now is sold out. This is called the Witnesses, and we can see some upcoming drops as well as some drops that have already ended. So you can see this drop right here, Leaders of the Metaverse. I actually got it on this drop a couple of days ago, and I bought that NFT, that Ethereum NFT, and I paid $250 for that NFT, by the way. Not the other one where it was only $25. This one was $250. I think it looks pretty cool. Who knows? Maybe it'll be worth some money one day. Maybe I just burned $250. I have no idea, but it's still cool. And I mean, the art looks good. You know, it's just a nice piece of art for me. So hey, it's no different than spending the money and putting a piece of art on the wall that's $250 as well. But of course, if we go back, I'm looking at some of these other drops that's coming up, and I don't know, this, for some reason, this Murder Beats NFT collection looks pretty promising coming up. I like this one. I can't even pronounce this, but the one that's on Monday, December 13th, I like how that looks. And then also this one from Psycho Kitties, The New Era. This one looks, it's only gonna be 10,000 of these, I believe it is, only 10,000 of these. This one's gonna be interesting for me, I think, as well. So I have no idea how much this is going to cost when it comes out. Hopefully they're only like 10, 20, 30 bucks because I'm not trying to spend $250 again. But something like this reminds me of another Loaded Lions. You can buy it for 200, possibly sell it for 5,000 about an hour or so later, which will be absolutely insane. We'll have to just wait and see. I'm going to be watching this drop when it drops in 7 days, just letting you guys know. If you want to sign up, like I said before, it's 100% free. I don't get any referral credit for this, but if you want to use Crypto.com, you know, to actually trade your crypto and stuff, I do get referral credit for that. So if you're interested in that, then definitely check out my Crypto.com video, and the link will be down below for that, and you'll get a free $25 when you sign up and stake with Crypto.com. Either way, that's pretty much it when it comes to Crypto.com and the Crypto.com NFT space. Like I said before, only verified creators and stuff like that, so you can't get scammed out of your money in the sense of somebody else creating the same NFT as somebody else. And on top of that, you guys already know all NFTs are verified on the blockchain, so it's not like somebody can just JPEG. I mean, I guess they could just save the picture, but of course, you guys know you have the original. If you're into NFTs, you already know this. If you're not into NFTs, it's okay. Yours is verified. Yours is on the blockchain. You got the legit one, and somebody else just copied and pasted it onto theirs. So, you know, it is what it is, but you guys already know the deal. Either way, if you're interested in more NFT talk or just Crypto.com in general, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. It's actually one of my favorite cryptocurrencies right now, CRO coin. So, yeah, that's all I got to say, though. Thank you guys for watching. As always, take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Stay hydrated. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.